What's up, YouTube? Listen, give me at least 10 minutes and I'm gonna teach you how to make 100K. I have 6 ways to make 100K. Today I'm gonna show you 3. Remember, everything I teach you is universal, so you can go apply this to any other asset that you invest or trade in. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Listen, as always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Really quickly, guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways that I want you to apply to whatever it is you're doing as it relates to investing or trading. But check this out. Real wealth is built on structure, discipline, and saying no when you can say yes. Listen, guys, no matter what you're doing, you have to learn the discipline that's necessary to go to this next level. The 3 examples I'm going to show you guys today will change your life. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I promise not to hold you long, but do me a favor, guys. I got 3 particular assets, 3 different ways for you to make 100K. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Class is in session. Okay, guys, first up, I have gold pulled up. Ticker symbol GLD. If you are part of the money team, you have gotten busy with this. I'm going to teach you 2 lessons in this. One is the gap. I want you to always spot where this is at. You see this? So it closed here the day before and it opened here. Okay? You need to identify that and know that. This is the gap that it left. Let me know, do you guys see number 1? Okay? Now check this out. In this particular case, it made what's called a flat top. Everybody write these terms down. Flat top. That told us, okay, that we weren't going higher. This was a high for the time being. So when it didn't go higher, it proceeded to make a falling wedge. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this in just a second. But what did this do? It attempted to get down here to come close to closing the gap, to filling the gap. But remember, this downward channel is oftentimes a signal, especially when you have support. This is support at the 200-day moving average, okay? And so it didn't get below this, so you are to remain bullish. And then look at what this ended up doing. Going back up, retest, back up, and then now it used the VWAP as support. And then we had this move, and then we shook up 3 green shoulders, bull flag, and it was off to the races. Guys, let me know if you have made money with gold. Let me know if you have taken advantage of any of the precious metals and alternative assets that we put down. It has changed lives, especially for those that's on a money team, okay? I'll try to do my best to put you guys in particular trades and setups that can do wonders for you and grow your wealth. Gold has been one of my go-to plays for probably well over 9 months now. And if you've been part of it, and if you made money, whether today, last week, or any time particular, let me know down in the comments below. All right, so quick lesson on that. If gold, in this particular case, one, it had a gap fill. You need to know all plays will try to go towards and to fill the gap, okay? These are universal lessons I want to show you, okay? So remember that. Take this to any other stock you have that you like to trade, and you can use this as an investment strategy and or as a trading strategy. Let me know if that's understood, okay? So next we have silver, okay? I want you guys to identify these things, okay? You always want to come out to see if there's a gap fill, okay? This is a gap, so that means it closed here one day and it opened here on this day. Boom. Okay, so it left this particular gap. That's always what you want to identify. If there's a gap, you need to know it is going to try to be filled. Let me know if that's understood. So check this out. We gapped, this called a gap and go. We gapped up, okay? And then we ran up, came back to VWAP. I wanted to show you this. And then we kept bouncing till we got here. This is the top, okay? But then look at this, when we crashed down, VWAP, once VWAP fails, that's telling you we're going down further. Where are we going down to, coach? Good question, glad you asked. We're gonna always go near the gap close. So this fell all the way here, all these bull flags, all the way down to here. So that took us around to this level right there. And then we popped up, came here, couldn't get above this, so that's resistance. That's what this is showing us, okay? And then guess where this took us to? The support on the 200 day. This is a 5-minute time frame. We bounced, we came back and tested again. We looked below and failed, but then we got back above it, and then boom, just like gold, we off to the races, guys. This is silver, and I want you to know one of the lessons. The market will always try to go fill the gap. You need to know gap fills oftentimes serve as support if the 200-day moving average on the 5-minute time frame is underneath it. These are nuggets and patterns you need to recognize, okay? And so right here would be your cue to know, yep, although we tried to close the gap, we didn't go lower and we still maintain an uptrend. This is the pullback coach is talking about when he says these are your best entry levels, okay? So that is silver, okay? And then finally, I have SPY. Let me know, one, if you're in the Discord. Link for that will be down in the description below. But everybody else, let me know if you made money with SPY. This lesson is going to blow your mind, okay? This is about pattern recognition, okay? Everybody write this down. I'm trying to show you guys terms at the same time. Pattern recognition, okay? You need to see this and know this, okay? Pattern recognition, all right? We made all-time highs today, and I couldn't be more happy. Look at this. We gapped up. This was a gap, okay? They try to close the gap right there, so we gapped and go. But then, look at this. Number one, let me show you this. 3 green soldiers. 3 green soldiers. We call them no limit soldiers, okay? We had 3 green soldiers. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That told us we was gonna go higher, all right? But then look, we came down. Do everybody see this? Let me clean this up. Let me clean all of this up, matter of fact. Don't forget 3 green soldiers, but also to make your 100K, I want you guys to see this. Everybody look at VWAP. Look at this red line. That is called VWAP. I want this on your chart for my technicians that want to be surgical. Look at the 3 green soldiers. We pull back, boom, bounce. Pull back, bounce. Pull back, bounce. Do you see how we never came below VWAP? Okay, boom. Went sideways. This is called sideways when I talk to you guys about that in the Discord. We dipped, still didn't come below VWAP, bounced. And look at how we are riding. The red line is called VWAP, okay? Boom. We just going higher, pulling back to VWAP, pulling back, stand up, stand up, stand up, pulling back to VWAP. What do you guys see, okay? When you have a strong VWAP operating as support, you ride the wave. If you take profit, remember I say take the base hit, see profit, take profit. If you take profit and you see the VWAP is holding, the VWAP is your cue to where to get back in there once it comes back and test and hold. Okay, so again, guys, I have 6 ways to show you to make 100K. Today, I just showed you 3. Use these lessons because it's universal and you can apply it to any trade and or investment you're trying to make. So oftentimes you guys ask me, Coach, where should I get in at? What's a good place to get in at? What's a good entry point? Okay, remember the gap fill. The gap fill level, when a stock gaps up, it has to come back down at some point, same day, end of day, or next day, to try to get near or to fill that area. When it does that, that's your chance to get in, knowing that we're going to resume back to the upside, retest the high, ultimately going higher. Let me know if that's understood. Listen, guys, I teach videos like this every day. If you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Guys, make sure you book a coaching call. Make sure you are in the Patreon and the Discord. I'm trying to take you guys to new levels on a 100K challenge and show up and show you different things that can help you level up along the way. If you like content like this, you gotta let me know, okay? I try to do what I feel like you guys need and what will serve you the best and get you the results that you want, okay? And so we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.